Bili lang kayo sa amin, guys. Follow us on Instagram. Yan, Shade. Hi, everyone! This is the first day of our Manila Sundance participation, and nakita nyo naman on my side, it's raining so hard because of meron daw bagyo ngayon, sabi sa Pag-asa. And ngayon na nga, sana the rain will not be a hindrance for those Manila Sundancer guys na tumusuporta dun sa Manila Sundance na na hindi sila makapunta because it's raining. Hi guys, so please pray for the sun to come out, especially for tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. Maybe ngayon I'll try my best to go there, siguro mga at night, kasi hanggang 9 lang siya given it's so traffic during Friday. So I hope I can make it. Anyway guys, before pala ako bumaba, gusto ko lang talaga ipakita sa inyo tong bagong invention. Actually, nakikita nyo na to before sa YouTube, sa mga site or Facebook, yung umbrella ko. This like this, the umbrella. And pag binuksan mo siya, guys, nakita nyo ba yun? Yung black sa loob, yun yung nababasa. Tapos itong nasa labas, ito yung inside niya. So when you open this, sana ma-open ko siya. So pag ganyan mo siya, babaliktad na siya. So, because it's raining now, hindi ko mapakita yung full power nung payong. Pero, siguro later pag dating ko sa bahay, before ko i-end yung vlog ko about Manila Sundance, papakita ko, sana maalala ko guys, kung how it works. I bought this last, I think if it's not Trendsetter or Manila Sundance, I bought this there sa bazaar din at around 500. It's a feasibility study of students from I don't know what school, and binibenta nila to at 500 kasi nga syempre hindi pa siya out in the market, so meron pa rin silang right to make it as a feasibility study kasi nga yung na-feature dun sa YouTube or sa Facebook is hindi pa siya out in the market. So, siguro naisip nila, baka idea pa lang, hindi pa nababudgetan. So, these students did their thesis about this umbrella. And this is so very helpful, especially when it's raining sa akin. This is really helpful. So, yun. That's it, guys. So, baba na ako to use my umbrella.
Picture ka dyan.
All things bubbly. Handmade lahat, diba?
Artisan soap. This one is soap. Yung mga cupcakes.
Ang cute. Pwede pa. Ito, this one is, ito gusto ko.
Yeah.
For linen.
Room spray. This one is for pillow spray. And linen. Kasi it has calming benefits.
Ah.
Lavender peppermint.
Bango. Like Victoria's Secret. This one, magkano dito?
That one, if you buy 5 or more, it's only
Tapos pwede siyang
90
pang
pesos.
ligo.
More on hand soap siya. This one is pwede pang ligo pa. The green tea, Kojic papaya.
Okay.
300 if you buy with the...
So 2 for 300. This one, and this one.
This one is 150.
So when you buy this and this one, 300, tama?
Because this one is 195.
Oh, that's 195. Yung lotion, that's 150. But both, 300 pesos.
That one is...
Gusto ko din yan, guys.
Deodorizer siya. So, if nag-boom kayo,
Okay.
nag-amoy.
Ito siya, pwede siyang
And also sa smoke, it's also a smoke eliminator for
Which one?
cigarette.
Oh, smoke
Ano,
elimination yan eh.
yung pang ihaw.
Hi! So what's your food?
I have cupcakes, cavios, pork buns, and pork tacos.
Wow! Pork tacos. Gusto ko yung madam.
Ako isa.
One pork bun. Pork buns. Name is... yeah. And so guys, Super Janice for the pastries, the tacos. Kaya punta na kayo here in Manila Sundance. Yeah, to taste the tacos of Miss Janice de Belen. And some of the serves for you guys. This is Miss Janice de Belen's tacos, the best, at 120. Di ba mare? Ayan o. Sarap na sarap siya. So guys, let's go here. Down to the last minutes for the ending of our first day. Yeah, so I'm drinking at Starbucks tonight. And guys, and someone gave this to us from the team. Kaya pa. Buti na naman. Sila na pa kami naguguto. Yan guys, we're ending our first day here in Metro 10th Convention Center in Metro Walk. So guys, I'll be uploading this, then tomorrow, then on the last day. So keep on watching guys, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!